fuck? Yo, let me go, yo. What the hell, yo? Where am I? Let me go! Let me go! Whoa, what did I do? I cannot believe what happened to Joy Plaka X. He just disappeared. Oh shit, damn, fuck, I am all by myself. Fuck, what am I supposed to do? Joe, what the hell is that noise? What the fuck is that? What the fuck is going on, man? Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What? Please, leave me alone. Please, leave me alone, man. Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. Leave me alone. Oh, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Thank you for saving me. What is your name, by the way? What the fuck type of name is that? Anyway, you want to be friends? Yeah, but I'm wondering, what, do you know anyone named Joy? He is on planet Pluto. Yeah, because I don't know how to get there. He knew how to get there. I don't know how to get there. Okay. Shut the fuck up, man, and get a fucking life. Your butt Cheeto looking ass. Now, we're about to go. Yo, where am I going? I guess I'm falling. Yo, where am I at, yo? Where am I at, yo? Where the fuck am I at? And my dude got a different shirt on. Hey, it says Logic, yo. It says Future X Logic. But wait now, yo, where the fuck am I at, yo? Who the fuck are you? Oh! Get off my face! Get off me! Get off me!
You okay?
Yo, thank you so much for saving me, man.
You're welcome.
Yo, that was crazy, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much, man. But damn, man, I lost all my powers. I lost everything. I can't get back up. I'm freaking out. I lost everything.
Stop being fucking whining!
Yeah, okay, fine. I'll stop whining.
Yeah, don't be whining!
I'm whining, but still, I don't know how to get my powers back. Do you know how to, get out of here and get my powers back?
I don't know if there's a way out.
Are you kidding me, man? You lied to me, man. I mean, you never told me your name, but damn. Really, man?
Yes. But I do know someone that knows.
You know somebody like him?
Yes.
Alright.
Dumbass. He lives on the other side.
Alright. I don't know why, but like before it looked like Earth, and now it looks like a dimension.
Don't lie, man.
Oh yeah, it says cartoon logic. Anyway, Anyway, y'all, I'm about to go. Right? Alright, man. Wait, what's your name, by the way?
Glade.
Oh, cool name. Alright, let's go. Yo, what the heck's this, yo? What the heck? Get out of here. I don't got my powers, so I'm gonna use my fist. Get off of me.
Joey is not Ellie. Joey is not Ellie.
Yo. Thank you so much, man.
There's monsters in this forest.
Yo, that's crazy, man. So there's monsters?
Yes, there's a lot of monsters.
You gotta watch out for them, yo.
Nigga, I've been out here for years.
Are you getting close?
Yeah, we're getting close,
I
man.
can't believe we're in this.
Yes, we're really close.
Alright, let's go. Yo, I think we made it to Pluto. Yeah, we did. We made it to Pluto. I did not know we was actually going to make it. Yeah, we did. We made it to Pluto. Hold up. Why do we kind of like off? I don't know why. Why? Ouch, our hand is up. Ha ha ha. Bitch. What is going on? I do not know what the fuck is going on. You son of a bitch. What the fuck did I do to you? You fucking asshole. You ugly green fuck. You bugger head ass bitch. Fuck you. With your fucking bald head ass looking like fucking Caillou and little bill of fucking crack. Looking like Great Marshall on fucking crack. Fuck you, little shit.
I text you today with your friend. It was never your friend. We should have done it. We should have done it. Me and Pluto.
What the fuck is this shit? What the fuck is you talking about?
But he is talking. He tricks you. I set it up. I made sure you were trying to be your friend. I made sure. The big, ugly, fat killer came in and tried to fight me. I made sure that all happened. Because I wanted to.
Why the fuck are you doing this?
I am doing this so I can have the great power. And I can have the power of Glade. And I have his power.
But why are you still doing this?
Because I hate y'all. Y'all piss me off. Every time I look in your face, y'all just remind me of failure. So I fucking hate you. For that, I'ma fucking mind control you to be in my army.
What the fuck do you mean? And what the fuck is Dre?
Dre! I put him in a dimension. He's never gonna come back. He's somewhere far away, and he's never gonna come back.
No, not fucking Dre. He's my fucking homie.
Well, I don't give a fuck about Dre. He is fucking dumb. Now, it's time to mind control you.
No!
To be in my army.
No!
For the finishing touch, let me enjoy some power. How do you feel now?
I feel better. Lord Pluto. Lord Pluto.
Yes. 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 Oh.
That's so funny.
I know it's so funny. I got them all on my phone. I have them all hypnotized. Yes. Yeah. My army should be. All that's left is to take over all the planets that I can take over and become the Lord of all planets. So, what do you want? We found somebody who pt.3. I found the bulldogs inside boards. Oh yeah, they ran away. Let me go and see them. I'll bring them in.
This is gonna be good.
Lord Pluto!
Come in. Bulldog inside boards.
You is not number one. You're nothing but a punk-ass dog. And I'm a bulldog, and I'll be able to beat you up.
You're such a dog. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Yeah, fuck you, bitch.
Don't talk to me.
What's it gonna do, huh? I ain't scared of you. You're such a weak dog. Lord Pluto.
Yes. Don't be inside boards. Don't be inside boards.
No, what's going on? What's going on?
Side boards. Don't ever tell them.
Yes. Lord.
Back to some killer shit. Got some wild hoes that'll drill a bitch. He has no limit, 30 years, running 30 years, gunning and we still a shit. I never won cause I stayed a